Nubia Z50s Pro just launched before 2 days. Fast refresh rate AMOLED display, flagship processor, superb in design, 35mm humanistic camera, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Nubia Z50s Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The packaging of the product is designed in a classic style with a silver black box that resembles an old-fashioned camera. The box is sturdy and thick. The machine itself is not lightweight. It comes with a data cable that has a familiar double C port and the charger has a separate Type-C interface, making it very versatile. The charger has a power of 80 watts. Let's focus on the design first. The color scheme is called the black coffee and it gives the product a black appearance that resembles a large camera with a Nubia logo on it. The top half of the camera has a flash, adding to a camera-like look. The back of the device is made of glass, giving it two distinct textures. The lower part has a lychee pattern effect, while the upper part has a metallic feel with the fingerprint marks. The glass material makes it look like there are two separate pieces, resembling the feeling of holding a camera with both hands. This design characteristics is consistent with the previous Nubia product like Z50 Ultra and its a photographer's version. Compared to the Z50 Ultra, the Z50s Pro design align better with the current mainstream trends, especially with a focus on highlighting the camera's appearance to make it look powerful. The button layout is similar to the Z50 Ultra and the middle frame is metallic. The Z50s Pro features a different screen compared to the previous Z50 Ultra. This time it uses a small front-facing camera. The screen supplier is the BOE Q9. Instead of using a under-the-screen camera solution, the front camera is positioned differently in the Z50 Pro and Z50 Ultra model. The screen has impressive specifications with a resolution of 1.5K and a refresh rate of 120Hz. It can achieve a local peak brightness of 1200 nits, making it brighter and clear. Additionally, it supports 2160Hz high frequency PWM dimming, which enhances the visual experience. The overall design of the screen with these concerns of the display and middle frame combined look very coordinated. One of the highlights of the Nubia Z50s Pro is its imaging capabilities, especially when it comes to capturing the humanistic street scenes. It features a 35mm focal length, which is well suited for this type of photography. Nubia has made significant improvement to the main camera in Z50s Pro, upgrading it to a larger 1x1.49 aperture size sensor. This sensor is likely to Sony IMX800. However, though disassembly diagram, it's evident that the Nubia faces challenges in fitting such a large sensor within the camera module. The sensor size is more significant than the standard size, which shows that the Nubia had to put in the considerable effort to make it work. Let's talk about the performance of the Nubia Z50s Pro. It is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is a high-end version. With this processor, the phone can reach a clock speed of 3.36 GHz, resulting in a strong overall performance. In benchmark test, it Antutu like score more than 1.63 million points, shows its high capabilities. During a 20-minute stress test, the phone showed good stability at 87.2%. In a gaming test, it performed well in the game like Genshin Impact, achieving 59.8 frames in a 15-minute gameplay session. The performance is impressive. The phone comes with 5100 mAh large capacity battery, which is quite common for the modern smartphone. In a 2-hour medium to heavy usage endurance test, the battery retained 83% on its charge, indicating good battery life. Overall, the Nubia Z50s Pro offers a strong performance and endurance, making it a reliable choice for the various tasks and gaming. Let's discuss the system UI for the Nubia Z50s Pro. iOS 13 has received some optimization in the detail. The system now feels purer with fewer ads during use, providing a better user experience. Additionally, iOS 13 allows users to delete some pre-installed software, giving more control over what is on the devices. The price of the Nubia Z50 Pro in China starts from 3,699 Chinese yuan, roughly £400 in UK and $515 US. The Nubia Z50s Pro is well suited for the specific group of people who enjoy street photography and capturing pictures with their smartphones. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, it's signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling. And I will see you in the next one.